Middlesex County, Monmouth County, until 5 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Robertsville to Clearbrook Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Morganville and Matto at around 4:10 p.m., Yorktown and Manalapan around 4:15 p.m., Holmdel and Keensburg around 4:20 p.m., Lincroft and Middletown around 4:25 p.m., West Freehold around 4:30 p.m., Red Bank and East Freehold around 4:35 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Saturday evening for Delaware, and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex and Monmouth.